Brian Mattiello, I'm Vice President for Strategy and Community Development for Northwest Region, Hartford Healthcare, Charlotte-Hungerford Hospital. Today was a pretty special day, very lifting, a lot of goosebumps that I and my colleagues experienced. This is difficult work that we do, but it's made that much easier when you know you don't do it alone. And the partners that drove through here today really made us feel special. Fire, police, public works, EMS, volunteers, paid, all came through with a very sincere message that the work we're doing right now is not just important, but it's supported by everyone.